Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. I'm going to attempt to rebuild the switch in this lamp. And I've done this a long time ago, but let's see if I can do it again. Went to my local Lowe's and they had crap to pick from. Okay, now this I hope is just an on-off switch, and not a three-way switch. Okay, and it's only in brass. It only had brass. So they had this one was should be on and off. They had a three-way, and they had the one with a little bar that goes back and forth, which is also just on and off. But this one should have the twisting clicker. So I'm hoping to take the guts out of this and replace it with the guts in that. Is what we're doing today. Okay. All right. You got all these little like clamp spots around the base that you can actually pop it loose. Yep. There we go. Okay, so there's a base. Now I've got this part here. And okay, here is the electrical part by itself. Just clean out of it. So let's try to do the same here with this one. Because this is obviously not brass. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. So I want to replace this with this one here. And that really shouldn't be a problem. All right, now the new one has screws for me to actually put the wires on and tighten down. This one here, they've just been pressed into it. So I'm gonna try to yank them out, but it looks like I'm gonna have to go get my wire strippers to get me a little more clean wire on this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this off so I can get it properly on the post there. And when you're putting this on, with this one here, it has 2 side terminals and the one ground. Okay, so for this particular installation, we're going to take one of the side terminals. I got the one with the black painted screw, and then we're going to take the ground here and we're going to attach it like that. Okay, at this point here, everything should be tight. We're going to take the top part of the socket that we took off before, making sure that the cardboard is still in place, because that's our insulator. Absolutely important that that's still there. Okay, or we're going to electrify the entire fixture. That's going to snap down in place. You may need to bend some of the tabs back in so it locks, but it's like that one did for us. Okay, now it came with this little black twist knob, but the shiny satin nickel one, okay, that was on here before should go back on. There we go. Now let's go test this out. Okay, so it still comes on, but unfortunately it's still a three-way switch. But it works, it looks right because it matches, you know, the outside part is the part that was with the lamp, and I don't have to throw this away. And now my wife doesn't have to give me a reason why she needs to spend $200, $300 on new lamps for the nightstands. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to find an Amazon link and put it in the description down below of this product right here. Thanks again.